Welcome to the future. You're watching FutureLens. Just 3 years ago, we were amazed that a chatbot could write a poem. Today, we are standing on the edge of creating autonomous digital systems that work, reason, and see the world as clearly as we do. If you feel like things are moving too fast, you're not alone. But today, we're changing that. We're breaking down the 7 essential terms that separate a casual user from a master of the future. Let's dive in. The first and most important term of 2026 is AI agents. Forget about simple dialogues. An agent is a system with hands. It's an autonomous entity that you give a goal, not just an instruction. Imagine you want to launch an online store. A basic AI would write you a plan, but an AI agent? It will register the domain, design the site, upload products, and set up ads while you sleep. It knows how to use tools just like you do. This is the shift from AI that talks to AI that acts. Have you noticed how AI sometimes fails at simple logic? That happened because it was just guessing the next word. But now we have reasoning models. These systems have learned to think before they speak. By using chain of thought, these models break complex tasks into steps, double-check themselves for errors, and only then deliver the result. This is AI with the logic of Socrates. AI used to be famous for hallucinations. The solution? RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation. Instead of relying only on its memory, the AI now glances at your private documents or live news in real time. This is made possible by vector databases, massive digital libraries where knowledge is stored as mathematical vectors. The AI instantly finds the truth in gigabytes of data and gives you an answer backed by evidence. How do you connect thousands of different apps to one AI? The answer is MCP, the Model Context Protocol. Think of it as a universal digital plug. This standard allows any AI model to understand the context of your work tools, cloud drives, and databases. It's what makes AI truly global and integrated. As AI gets smarter, it becomes harder to understand its decisions. Explainable AI is a movement for transparency. These are technologies that force the algorithm to explain its steps. This is critical when AI is making a medical diagnosis or managing your finances. We must be able to see through the black box. And finally, ASI, Artificial Superintelligence. This isn't just a smart computer, it is an intelligence that surpasses all of humanity in creativity, science, and strategy. Many experts believe we will approach this point within this decade. This is the moment technology becomes self-sustaining. Are we ready? That is the question we explore here on FutureLens. Technology is only a tool in the hands of those who understand how it works. Today, we've added 7 new lenses to your vision of the world. The AI world of 2026 is not a threat, it is an opportunity. Write in the comments which term surprised you the most, or perhaps you're already using AI agents in your workflow. Subscribe to FutureLens, hit the like button, and remember, the future is already here. It's just not evenly distributed yet. See you in the next episode.